Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2022 Kia Telluride LX. This is the V6, of course. Total price of $36,255. Oh man, the Tellurides are a bargain. 3.8 liter V6 made it to the 8-speed auto. I can't believe 38 grand. That's sticker price. I don't know if we're charging markup on them. I don't think we are. I have no clue, so don't. Oh, that is so much easier than normal. Just go boop. Why can't it always be that easy? I believe this is gravity gray. Yep, gravity gray over black. Big change for 2022 is your new Kia badging. That's all over the vehicle, on the center caps, on the rear, and on the front. Like right here, Telluride on the hood. All right. So that's how you control all your rear settings. Pretty cool. Honestly, I love the Telluride. I still think this is one of the best SUVs currently on sale. We actually have 3 in inventory right now, which is amazing to me. This is July of 2021. That's also weird to say. But yeah, we currently have 3 in inventory, which is crazy given the time we're in. Has a ton of torque and power. It's right around 300 horsepower, so pretty impressive. Is that our used one, or is that? You do have a bunch of different drive modes. I'm driving it in smart mode. That is going to adapt to the conditions and how your driving style is. You can also set for sport, comfort, eco, and snow. Snow is going to lessen your throttle response. It's also going to heighten traction control and just really make it perfect for slippery conditions. Eco, very, very similar. It's going to shift as soon as possible, and it's going to be as economical as it can be. Comfort mode, that's your normal drive mode. It's just your everyday driving. Sport It's going to increase the weight of the steering, heighten throttle response, and change transmission shifts. Not change them, change when they occur, I should say. Smart mode, I've found, is the best of all the worlds. If you're, going onto an on-ramp, flooring it, going in and out of cars, not that I recommend that. If you're doing stuff like that, the car's going to be like, okay, I need sport mode. Whereas, if you're just kind of cruising around town trying to get the best gas mileage possible, it's going to put itself into eco mode. It's all based off of your inputs. So it's pretty smart, actually. See what I did there? Oh, we got some Equinox. Equinox and a Terrain. Just don't know if they're the new 22s or not. Bronco. Look at that. First time seeing one in the flesh, honestly. I love these cars. I really do. For an SUV, it's one of the best out there, and that's a big reason why they're so popular. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.